Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, fourth period here at KIT Iizuka on April 23rd. This is the last Thursday that we will have this month because next week, the 30th, there will be no class because of Golden Week. I think it's because of Golden Week. So the next class that we have will be May 7th. Let's take a look at what's going on. Before we look at this week's work, I wanted to show you what I do with these videos. So for example, I made a video for you in class number 2. So here in class number 2, that video is right here. You can access it now. You can see it if you didn't come last week, if you were sick, or if you just wanted to check on what we actually did last week, that video is there. And if there's something there that you don't understand, remember, you can always contact me. And the easiest way to contact me is to use, this email. Don't use my QTech email. I don't check my QTech email. This is the email I want you to use, jdmcruz@gmail.com. Okay? Now, getting back to this week, we're going to be looking at these assignments. Okay, so first of all, you can always read the class description here. And once this video is finished and I have a chance to put it on YouTube tonight, sometime tonight, it will be up there and ready for you to watch. Now, first thing we're going to do is look at this Quizlet set and practice it together as a group. And this shadowing, we did shadowing last week for Mr. Cruz's class, and we have another shadowing article here. Now, all of these things that are on the Moodle, sometimes we do them in class, sometimes we don't. But if I put them on the Moodle, it's your responsibility to check them, to make sure you go over them. And in this case, all I want you to do is do the shadow talking. Okay? So even though we're not going to be doing this in class, if I put it in the Moodle, I want you to look at it yourself. Okay? And you have a listening quiz. Okay, you have a listening quiz. So open the listening quiz like you did last time. Listen, answer the questions. You can take 3 tries at this, and Moodle will automatically remember your best score. You have a reflection. This time it's about shadowing. This particular video is actually in Japanese, so it should actually be pretty easy. There was this Japanese guy that I found, and he said that I did shadowing for 90 days. And the video is about how he feels after doing 90, every day, 90 days of shadow talking and what he experienced. And what I think I agree with. It's really, really good. In any case, I want you to watch that video. I want you to think about, here's the question. What do you think of shadow talking? So it's a very simple question. Write in English, your English. You don't need any software. You don't need a dictionary. Just write in your English, 10 minutes, take a picture, send it up to Moodle. Okay, so your assignments for this week are this reflection, your listening quiz, and because we won't be doing this in class, I want you to check out the shadowing. Okay? Don't forget, I want you to write your names. It's your responsibility to write your names on the sheet every week. I use that for your attendance, so it's actually very important information. Okay. After I do this video, I'll go over what I did very quickly again in Japanese, and we're going to be going to Quizlet. So for Quizlet, best to take out your phone, access this on Moodle, and then we'll be able to get to studying that as well. Again, if you have any questions, you can always contact me at my email. Otherwise, do you have any questions now? No? Okay, let's have a good class.